Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today we are going to make rasam, which can be taken during the times of cold and cough. For this I am going to use the leaves of climbing brinjal plant. This has regional names like Thuthuvalai, Alarka, Kantakaari, etc. Separate the leaves like this and be careful while handling this plant. This has lots of thorns. These leaves are not only good for cold and cough, it is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antimicrobial. If this plant is not available, you can go for coriander leaves. Though coriander leaves does not target the cold and cough, it will give you the similar taste. The leaves are ready, clean it and transfer it into the mixie jar. To this add a teaspoon of peppercorns, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 6 to 8 garlic cloves, a big pinch of Asafetida, that is Hing, and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. You have to grind this coarsely and try to avoid water while grinding. If you need water, just sprinkle it. So our green paste is ready, set this aside. Now pour some oil in a pan. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of split black gram and half a teaspoon of split chickpeas. Once the mustard starts popping, add 2 to 3 dry chillies and half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, that is methi, and a handful of curry leaves. Fry this for about a minute and then add the green paste. Saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes or till the raw smell goes off. To this add the required amount of salt. To this add finely chopped 2 large tomatoes. Give a nice saute. We have to cook the tomatoes well, so close this and cook till the oil oozes out. Stir this in between if needed. This is perfect, the oil has oozed out. Next we are going to add tamarind water. Soak a lemon sized tamarind in water for about 10 minutes. Dissolve it in water and filter it and add into this. To make this watery, add about 1 to 1.5 cups of water. Let us wait for this to start boiling. This has started boiling now, so once it starts boiling, switch off the flame. Our rasam is ready. This you can drink it as a soup or you can mix this with rice and have it. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.